everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my very good friend Meg with me, and she is going to show us how she makes her world famous hamburger cookies.
They're delicious.
They're so good. She brought them to a recent baseball party. They were the hit of the party. The kids loved them. The dads and coaches loved them the most. So let's show you how easy they are to make. You will need vanilla wafers, York peppermint patties, shredded coconut, red and yellow icing, we use store-bought, sesame seeds, and green food coloring. That's it. First, she lined up the vanilla wafers. These will become the buns of the hamburger. Next, she added red icing to half of the vanilla wafers. This is the ketchup of the hamburger. Time for the mustard. Add the yellow icing to the other half of the vanilla wafers. Now she put one York peppermint patty on all of the ketchup buns. In a small bowl, she mixed the shredded coconut with green food coloring to make the lettuce. Add a small scoop of the lettuce to the top of the York peppermint patty, and then top it with one of the mustard buns. And now for the finishing touch, the sesame seeds. Meg's tip was to dip your finger in water, tap it onto the vanilla wafer, and then sprinkle on the sesame seeds to make them stick. Now, how cute are these? They would be perfect for any Super Bowl party, children's party, and trust me, they're so irresistible that even my toddler could not wait till we were done filming to grab one. Well, weren't these so delicious and cute? I love them. Yay! Thank you so much for sharing your wonderful recipe with us. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the like button below, and while you're there, subscribe to my channel so that you can see more tips on how to make motherhood fun and easy. And most importantly, remember, everyone burns their first pancake.
So just keep flipping.